Hi, it's Marianne Litter and I'm from Word of Faith Christian Center in Nelson Mandela Bay. It is just so good to speak to you. Make sure that you share this link with other people also. I'm going to talk to you a little bit about thorns. My topic is thorns. It is the weirdest topic, but I discovered the other day in my garden, beautiful, luscious green lawns. As I walk in the garden with my bare feet, there's this tiniest of tiniest little thorns that goes into my foot. And when he did, it was hectic because they go underneath the skin and you can't get them out. And I'm reading in the Bible, it talks about the thorns in the book of Matthew, chapter 13, verse 7. It says here, other seed fell amongst thorns, which grew up and choked the plants. So this is the thing. I realized that thorn is almost invisible. It's like sneaky little plants in amongst our beautiful green, luscious grass, our lawn. And here comes this little thorns, and they are tiny. And man, you can't get it out. Even if you go sit and you go and dig them out, it's almost impossible, and you can't put weed killer on them because you can't see them. And then I realized this is very much what the Bible talks about. It's the sneaky things that comes our way, and it grows everywhere, and you don't see it. And one day when you start walking there bare feet, it's everywhere. And the Bible says when those thorns come, they kill the best plants. Now we know this is how it works in the natural gardens, but it's very much the same in our lives. We are in a season of our lives that we cannot negotiate with the devil any longer. We cannot sit there and wonder, is that okay, or is that okay, is that okay? We must know what is right. We must know what is wrong, because our days are numbered. And when they are numbered, we need to know that when we stand before Jesus Christ, there won't be those sneaky little thorns that killed away the joy, peace, happiness, long-suffering, forgiveness, all the beautiful things in our life, that we suddenly sit bitter, unhappy, and dissatisfied. And we are thinking that everything is wrong with the world, but not with us. So today I'm going to ask you, look into your own garden and ask the Lord to help you. Get rid of those negative thoughts and attitudes so that God can bring you through into a place of lusciousness again. And let me encourage you, man, everything is going to be okay if we stand firm in the word of the Lord.